Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unbagging the Apocalyptic Beauty monthly subscription bag. Apocalyptic Beauty, this is exciting. March 2020 look of the month is Area 51. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so cute. I'm really excited. Okay, so Apocalyptic Beauty is an indie brand. It's cruelty-free and vegan. And every month you get this little card and this little bag full of stuff. All for a low, low price of, is it $12? Maybe it's $14. I'll leave that below. I've been doing unboxings. I feel like my channel is a lot of unboxings for as far as my vlog. You know, I do other things. I have movies and music and all kinds of stuff, book reviews and blah, blah. But I have quit a couple subscriptions. But ones that I have going right now are Apocalyptic Beauty, Ipsy, Horror Pack, and I don't know. Anyway, so here is their card that they give you. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay, so first thing in the bag is they always give you some candy, and this is Zotz. Zotz is one of my favorite candies of all time. Okay, what else is in here? Oh my goodness. This is Area 51 Alien Autopsy. It's a neon green pigment, face pigment. So it's not eye safe, but approved in the US, but neon pigments are approved in Europe as eye safe. We just haven't done the proper testing, I think, in the US. Anyway, I love this, and I don't have a neon green yet. I have a neon purple and a neon red. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love this. That looks so cool. I am going to wear that. Okay, so the next thing in here is Roswell. It says a muted green with silver gold shimmer. Now, when opening these, they do not come with sifters, so do not turn it sideways. I learned that the hard way. That is really pretty. I love Apocalyptic Beauty. Their shadows are really, really pretty. I like how they do their packaging, and I really, really like these themes. That's one of the things I like about these monthly boxes, or these monthly bags, is I'm really into the different themes that they have and how they put everything together. And I've been keeping them in bags, bagged together, because I think they make good looks all together. So this next one is Abduction, and that is a purple with a red glow. It is also lip safe. I'm just gonna pat it on as like a lip topper, but that's a stupid swatch, but that is really pretty. Okay, and there's two more things. There is Terrestrial, which this is a highlight and it's not lip safe. I'm doing weird swatches today, sorry about that. But so this is a highlight there, really shimmery, really pretty. That's all the colors. There is also a glitter, and I'm not going to open it. I don't want to lose any, but there's little alien heads in there and stars and moons. This is so cool. I can't wait to wear this stuff. I'm debating on whether I should do try-ons along with these unboxings, or if you want me to do try-ons of these things separately. Just let me know in the comments. So that is it for today's unboxing, and thanks for watching.